Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further. Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be about how to get a flawless base. So this is how my face looks after doing my base. If you want to know how to get a flawless base, please keep on watching. So guys, let's get started. For a perfect base, we need to start by moisturizing your skin. The moisturizer which you're using should give you ample amount of hydration that is needed for your skin. So once you wash your face with a clean cleanser, your natural oils on the face will be washed off. So your face needs a bit of moisturization. So for me, once I wash my face, I feel a bit dry. So I'm using something a little bit heavy. So here I am going to use Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Pro Retinol from Nature Anti-Aging Cream. So this is a kind of light cream but gives you ample of moisturization. So I'm going to take a bit of this and gonna massage into my face. I've already done my eye makeup and I have put on lashes, and also I have filled in my brows. It's been more than 5 minutes since I applied my moisturizer. So the next step to get a flawless and beautiful base is applying primer. So I'm going to use a silicone based primer which is nothing but from Color Bar USA Perfect Match Primer. This is a translucent or a clear kind of primer, and this one will help you minimize pores. So make sure that you are using silicone based primers to minimize the appearance of pores and get a smoother base. Apply the primer on the areas where I have a larger pores. So I have applied on my cheek area and my nose and the chin area, and the way you have to apply the primer, as you can see, is dragging and tapping it. The tapping motion will make sure that the primer fills in the pores. The appearance of pores after applying your foundation will be very much less. After applying the primer, the next step is color correction. Most of the people with Indian skin tone, by that I mean medium to deeper skin tones, have pigmentation mostly around the mouth area, and people might have heavier dark circles under your eyes, and also the acne marks, which is kind of red. These spots should be minimized or should be hidden or concealed. So for that we can use a concealer, but the problems such as hyperpigmentation etc. will peek through your concealer. The concealed part might look grey after some time. So it is very much important to color correct before applying any base products. So for color correction, we need an orange kind of color corrector, or you can also use an orange lipstick like I'm gonna use one now. We have color correcting products in LA Girl and Cal, which is very much affordable, and there are many other brands offering color correction products. Here I am going to use an orange lipstick from Color Bar. It's a soft touch lipstick in the shade Citrine 040. So I'm going to take some of this orange color over here and I'm gonna apply this on the problematic areas using my fingertips. Once you have applied the color corrector, I might look a bit scary right now, but it will all come together. So now after applying the color corrector, it's very important to set the color corrector onto its place, otherwise it will get mixed or it will move from the place and give you an orange kind of base, which is not really good. So the next step is to set the color correction. For that I'm gonna use a loose powder. I'm gonna use Lakme Rose Powder in the shade Warm Pink, this one. I'm going to set it with the powder puff and press the powder in. So after setting your color correction, this is how your skin looks. We are going to get into the foundation. So for foundation, I like to mix a darker foundation with my normal color foundation. So here I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Toffee Caramel is a darker shade and it's too dark for me. So with Coffee Caramel, I'm going to mix my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the shade 06 Sand Beige. So Sand Beige is a bit lighter for my skin tone. So I'm going to take 1 pump of Sand Beige. You can use whatever foundation you use regularly. I don't use primer on daily basis, and color correction is also not done on daily basis. This kind of base I do only for occasions or if I'm attending any events. I just wanted to make that clear because this kind of base needs some time to get ready. If you have time to get ready every single day, you can go with this. So the next step is to get a wet beauty blender or a makeup sponge and just tap in your foundation so that the makeup sponge will take up the excess foundation. So this is done to just take away excess foundation, because once you're out an hour or so, if you have excess of foundation, the foundation may tend to break to the oil production in the skin, like on your face. So this is how it looks after taking up the excess foundation. So now my face looks absolutely flawless and my acne marks is almost invisible and my pores are looking much smaller. So now the final step is to seal in the foundation so that it doesn't move throughout the day. For that I'm going to use a compact powder. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. But before that, if you prefer brightening up your under eyes by using a bit of concealer, you can do that. So here I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match concealer in the shade Neutral. So I'm going to use this under my eyes a bit. done, I'm just gonna set this concealer part or bake the concealer part with a bit of loose powder. So I'm going to use the same Lakme loose powder in the shade Warm Pink. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with the compact. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 310 Sun Beach. I'm going to set the foundation into its place by tapping motion. More of a dry skin beauty, I would suggest you not to go for baking, because baking will give you dry patches and further aggravate uneven skin. So and it might appear flaky, so I would suggest you dry skin beauties to avoid baking your under eyes. Just set a bit lightly with the translucent powder after foundation, that would be good enough. Since I am an oily to combination skin, I'm baking my under eyes. I usually get oily on my T-zone and sometimes on the cheekbone area, and I have a very bad under eye creasing every time I apply concealer, so that is why I'm baking my under eyes. So it's been a while since we have kept this thing for baking, so now I'm going to dust off the powder. So that's it guys, this is how I do my base on occasions to hide my imperfections and get a smoother base like this. I'll complete the rest of my face and be right back. Hey guys, I'm back after doing the rest of my makeup. I have put a bit of bronzer and highlight and a light blush, coralish blush, and a coral pinky kind of lipstick. I hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. If you like to share my videos, you can share it on your social media pages. And guys, if you want to know how I did this eye makeup, it will be already in my channel before this video. See you on my next video guys. Until then, please take care. Bye.